Hey, look, it's the highway patrolman. You want to say hi? Hi.
Hello.
Guys. How you doing?
Good.
Can I give your daughter a sticker?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
You want a sticker?
Yeah.
Cool. What's your doll's name?
Elena.
Elena, that's a pretty name. You know what? I think your doll needs a sticker too. What do you think? Yeah? How's that?
Good.
Is that good? Very
All right.
cool.
Thank you.
You gotta
Take
be
care.
safe.
Good one.
Be safe.
Buckle up, honey. We gotta go. Hey, get back in your car seat.
San Gorgonio Pass units. I have a report of a traffic collision in Cherry Valley. Vehicle is going to be a silver SUV into a utility pole. We have an ambulance en route as well for reports of a small child involved, possibly injured. Update for units en route. Caller is advising he is the father of the child. He's stating the child was not in her car seat at the time of the collision.